Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing my highly requested video, and that is how to twist the braiding hair to do the distressful locks. But then you can use this for passion twists and spring twists should you be interested in a different hairstyle. So what I'm using right now is the expression. It's already pre-stretched, so then I'm just gonna take sections of the hair and then use straws. Straws work better for me because they curl the hair more compared to anything else. But if you don't want to buy straws and if you don't want to use them, you can still use your flexi rods. So I'm using the bendy straw, and you just take the hair, make sure you split it in half, and then you put it in and you start twisting. The essential part of this whole process is that you do have to twist and then roll it over the straw, and then just continue going on and on and on and on like that. Okay, so the beneficial part about this specific part, especially if you bought pre-stretched hair, is that bottom part that's threaded, I don't know how to explain it, but it's a bit loose and uneven. That works to your benefit because now you can just roll up the hair and hide it in there. So just to lock it instead of using bobby pins to lock it at the end. So if you can't do that, that means you didn't feather it properly, so you have to use bobby pins or start over. It's all up to you. So what's going on right now is I'm doing my second one, and here I'm trying to show you that you combine them. Remember, you split it in half, but then when you're twisting, you kind of combine the two into one, and then you just twist them together so that they're curly together, you understand? So you just go on and on like that. Stretch it out if it gets tangled. You don't want to twist something that's tangled, and then you just continue until you get to the end. But remember, you twist them while they're together, not like a whole single strand, but you fold it in half first and then you twist them together from there. So when unraveling them, you need to make sure that they're a bit dry. In this video, they were kind of still wet. I didn't wait that long before I unraveled them. So you unfold that lock that you made with the bendy straw at first, and then you just be careful that you don't loosen the curls as you go on with this process. So you try to save the curl as much as you can, and you just go on from there. But I would prefer that you wait until the hair dries so that you can get more defined curls. With the flexi rod, I wouldn't suggest using it, mainly because it gives you longer curls and you can't really do much with loose curls unless you're gonna do the distressed locks. But if you're gonna do like a nice spring twist, I wouldn't suggest for you to use flexi rods. Use straws instead. But yeah, that's how the curls look. I'll compare them in a few so you can see for yourself.